nowadays women are, achieving wonders. Work from home for me has been quite positive because it allows me the freedom to basically manage my tasks, personal as well as professional, in a very timely manner. Achievement that you have, I think, should be celebrated as a success, especially for young people. That's what basically will help them just grow. Adhesives are used from the landing gear of an aircraft to baby diapers. So that's the kind of vast range. Above the line communication is mass. BTL is something which is experiential completely. I believe it's the one-on-one experience that you give. Young people these days just need to be very observant and learn from everything around them. Specifically in digital, the industry is very volatile and one should be very prepared for the unexpected. I believe even the good things in life teach you as well as the bad, and that is the mantra that I follow.